Hey, welcome to the Sleep Play YouTube channel. My name is Ozzy. I'm the respiratory therapist with sleepplay.com. Today we're going to be going over the sleep data on the iBreeze by Resvent. Now the iBreeze by Resvent is a great machine. It does provide the standard parameter of the AHI on the screen so you can see where your AHI is. It does have the option for an app that you can get on your smartphone. Me specifically, I've had trouble trying to get the app to work, and I know other patients have had similar issues. So what I recommend there is to go around that and make sure that you use your SD card. Your SD card is located on top of the filter, and it's very simple. All you have to do is press it in and it comes right out, so you can have all your sleep data. And for those of you that want the quick and easy route to be able to monitor your sleep data, all you have to do is on the screen, scroll to where the info tab is, select the info tab, and right there it's going to give you your basic sleep data parameter. Now for patients starting out on CPAP therapy, I know you do want to learn everything, and I do promote that. I want you to learn everything you can, read up on the forums, understand what your therapy is doing for you. But for when you're starting off, it might get overwhelming. It might be too much information. It might actually set you back a bit. So I don't want you to go by that. What I want you to do is I want you to go just based off the machine till you start feeling comfortable with the therapy. Once you start feeling comfortable with the therapy and you want to start learning about the therapy, then go ahead. But if you start trying to learn about it too much in the beginning, which it's not that it's a bad thing, it's just that some people might overthink when they're trying to use the machine. They'll be like, oh, I'm having this issue, I'm having that issue, and they overthink it. I don't want you to fall into that. What I want you to do is just take this a step at a time and try to get used to it before you actually start getting into all the little nooks and cranny kind of thing. Yeah, I know you want to learn what your AHI is, which is your apnea-hypopnea index. You wanna learn what REM. We want to learn about REM sleep. You want to learn about the stages of sleep, just like I do. I promote it all the time. You want to make sure you learn all that. But steps. You want to start off, once you know you have sleep apnea and they sent you a machine, your main goal needs to be getting used to your machine. And on the Resvent iBreeze makes it pretty simple because everything's on the screen. You can see it. You can just scroll with the knob and select what you want to see and what you don't want to see. If you want to use it on your phone, it might be a little bit more difficult. I'm hoping that Resvent sees this and they actually work on the app and get it to work better. I can tell you also with the Wi-Fi, when you're trying to select the Wi-Fi in the settings tab, you're gonna go on the Wi-Fi and you're gonna hit search. Now I will tell you, I had a little bit of connectivity issues too with my Wi-Fi. I did get it to work, but it was a process to get it to work, and it wasn't working as good as I would have hoped it to work. As far as getting your data, my recommendation off this machine, just go buy your AHI and use the data card. That's going to be always your best option. When you're wanting to read your data off the SD card on the machine, you're going to have to download the app, the web-based app for your computer, so that you can actually download the data into your computer, because it's not just a plug and play. You do have to download a separate program, and we're going to provide links down below for it. Unfortunately for now, the program is only for Windows-based computers. We hope that soon the Resvent will allow the Mac iOS users to also have an app. We hope that this has helped you understand how to read the sleep data on your Resvent iBreeze. If you want to know more about the actual Resvent iBreeze, click on the link above for a more detailed video on the actual Resvent iBreeze. My name is Ozzy. I'm the respiratory therapist with sleepplay.com, and I'll catch you in the next one.